Amazing excavators and muscle machine synthesis.
Excavator rock saw. Excavator rock saw. An excavator rock saw is a specialized attachment for cutting through hard rock and concrete. It features a rotating saw blade with carbide-tipped teeth for efficient cutting. Rock saws are used for trenching, mining, and demolition projects that require precision and power. They are ideal for environments where traditional excavation methods are not effective. Excavator rock saws provide controlled cutting with minimal vibration and disruption. Drum cutter. Drum cutter. A drum cutter is an excavator attachment used for precision cutting of rock, concrete, and asphalt. It features rotating drums equipped with carbide teeth for efficient material removal. This tool is ideal for trenching, tunneling, and demolition applications. Its low vibration and noise levels make it suitable for urban environments. Drum cutters improve excavation speed while minimizing structural damage. Excavator. Excavator. An excavator is a heavy-duty machine used for digging, lifting, and material handling. It consists of a rotating cab, a hydraulic arm, and a bucket for excavation tasks. This machine is essential in construction, mining, and demolition projects. Various attachments can be used to expand its capabilities. Excavators offer power, precision, and versatility for different applications. Mixer truck. Mixer truck. A mixer truck is a specialized vehicle used for transporting and mixing concrete. It features a rotating drum that keeps the concrete in motion to prevent hardening. This truck is essential for large construction projects requiring fresh concrete. It ensures efficient delivery to construction sites with minimal material waste. Mixer trucks come in different sizes to accommodate various project needs. Carry deck crane. Carry deck crane. A carry deck crane is a small, mobile crane used for lifting and transporting heavy loads in industrial sites. It features a rotating boom and a flat deck for carrying materials. This crane is ideal for working in confined spaces and moving loads over short distances. It is widely used in warehouses, factories, and maintenance operations. Carry deck cranes offer versatility and easy maneuverability. Skid steer. Skid steer. A skid steer is a compact and versatile construction machine used for various tasks. It features a small, powerful frame with a lift arm that can be fitted with different attachments. This machine is ideal for excavation, grading, and material handling in tight spaces. Skid steers are widely used in construction, landscaping, and agriculture. Their maneuverability and adaptability make them essential on job sites. Thumb excavator. Thumb excavator. A thumb excavator is an attachment that enhances an excavator's ability to grasp and handle materials. It works in combination with a standard bucket, providing extra grip. This tool is useful for picking up irregularly shaped objects like logs and debris. It improves efficiency in construction, demolition, and forestry work. Hydraulic thumbs offer better control compared to mechanical versions. Excavator mulcher. Excavator mulcher. An excavator mulcher is used for clearing vegetation and grinding tree stumps. It features a rotating drum with sharp teeth that shred branches, bushes, and undergrowth. This attachment is ideal for land clearing and forestry management. It converts organic material into mulch, reducing waste and improving soil health. Excavator mulchers increase efficiency in large-scale clearing projects. Dump truck. Dump truck. A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed for transporting and unloading materials. It features a hydraulic bed that tilts to dump contents efficiently. This truck is commonly used in construction, mining, and waste management. Different sizes and configurations are available for various load capacities. Dump trucks improve transportation efficiency on job sites. Road roller. Road roller. A road roller is a machine used for compacting soil, asphalt, and gravel in construction projects. It features a heavy drum that applies pressure to create a smooth and stable surface. This machine is essential for road construction and land preparation. Different types of rollers are available for various compaction needs. Road rollers improve the durability and quality of paved surfaces. Long reach excavator. Long reach excavator. A long reach excavator is equipped with an extended arm for deep or distant digging. It is ideal for dredging, demolition, and working in hard-to-reach areas. This machine provides increased reach while maintaining stability and precision. It is commonly used in waterway maintenance and industrial demolition. Long-reach excavators enhance efficiency in specialized excavation tasks.